Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Dhruvin. So guys, in this video I will show you how to get dark mode on Snapchat in iPhone and Android device. Lot of iPhone and Android user has been reporting to dark mode option is not showing on my iPhone and iPad in Snapchat account. Lot of Snapchat users to say how to get the dark mode on Snapchat on your iPhone and Android device. Before the starting this video, please make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about iPhone and Android device. Now first of all, I will show you how to get dark mode on Snapchat in Android device. Please make sure you follow the steps and latest versions to update your Snapchat applications. Once your update is done, after open the Snapchat applications, now bottom to select the chat icon. In the chat section and profile sections, you can see also dark mode is not available on Snapchat account in Android device. Now some settings too you can easily turn on and also get the dark mode options or your Snapchat account in Android device. Now first of all open the settings app. In settings app now find out the Realme Lab. If you using the another Android devices, then find out the dark mode option. In the Realme Lab you can see also if you turn off dark mode, now please make sure turn on these settings. Now the second option is dark mode for the third party applications. Now please make sure tap on it and find out the Snapchat applications. If you turn off Snapchat applications, now please make sure turn on these settings on your Android devices. You can easily get the dark mode on Snapchat in your iPhone as well as Android device. Once this setting is done on your Android devices, now simple thing is again open the Snapchat applications on Android. Open the Snapchat applications, after bottom to select the chat icon. Now again left hand side corner to select the profile section. Now you can see also easily get the dark mode on Snapchat in Android devices. I hope these settings work for your Android phone. Now I will show you how to get the dark mode on Snapchat in iPhone and iPad. Now first one important thing is strong Wi-Fi and mobile data to connect your iPhone and iPad and open the App Store and update to latest version Snapchat applications. Now open the Snapchat applications. Now bottom to select the chat icon, you can see also light mode is available. Now this question is how to get the dark mode on Snapchat in iPhone. Now first of all step on the left hand side corner profile sections and right hand side corner the gear icon settings icon. Now please make sure tap on it. In the settings you can see also app appearance options available. Now please make sure tap on it. Now last option is always dark. Now please make sure done these settings. Once you done these settings on your iPhone, after you can again come back in the Snapchat account. You can see also dark mode available on your Snapchat account. So guys, this way too you can easily dark mode on Snapchat in Android as well as iPhone users. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you any query about it, so please DM on my Instagram and also comment on this video comment sections. I will try to fix your problem as soon as. Thank you so much.